Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can buy American Express gift cards. So, if that sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end. We upload how to guide videos on the internet every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. The first thing you need to do is open up a browser, then in the search bar, type in mxgiftcard.com. As soon as you do that, the Amex gift card website will open. Now you can see on the left hand side of the screen, there is an option called Buy Gift Cards. Click on it. Next, you will see various gift cards from which you can choose from. These cards cost anywhere from $25 to up to $3,000. You can browse through it and pick any one you like. For example, I'm going to pick this one. Now you can choose either of these options. If you choose the mail option, your gift card will be sent to you by the mail, which will be a plastic gift card. But if you choose the email option, you will receive an electronic gift card. Now you can choose the value from the drop down. If you want, you can also enter in a custom value. For now, I'm going to choose $25. Now enter in your email. This is the mail where you'll receive the e-gift card. Again, confirm it. After that, you can choose the number of gift cards you want to receive. For now, I'm going to choose one. You can also send the gift card as a gift to other people. You can enter your own email address here, and to whom you want to send it, you can enter their email address. You can also write in a personal message. Then after that, click on Add to Cart. Now, after you click in the Proceed to Payment option, again enter in your email address and your phone number. You can see the total value of your cards here. If you have any promo code with you, you can enter it here. By doing so, you will receive a discount. Now, after all the information is correct, you can click on the payment option. Then in the next page, you will be able to pay through your card and you will receive your gift card in your email address. So those were the few easy steps to buy American Express gift cards. I hope you guys found the video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.